Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your host, and I am absolutely buzzing with excitement for the video we have lined up for you today. Seriously, the team and I have been working on this one for months, and it's a topic that's incredibly close to my heart. It's all about that search for the perfect place, that city that just calls to you. We've seen your comments, we've read your DMs asking for our take on the best places to be right now, and trust me, we listened. This one's for you. For those of you who are new here, welcome to Global Glimpse. We're not just another travel channel. We are your dedicated guides to the world's most dynamic and exciting places. We go beyond the tourist traps and the picture-perfect postcards. Our mission is to uncover the soul of a city, the vibrant culture, the innovative spirit, the sense of community, and the opportunities that make a place not just a destination, but a potential home. We're here to help you discover your next great adventure. You know that feeling I'm talking about, right? You're scrolling online or watching a movie, and suddenly, a place just grabs you. It's more than just a pretty skyline. You see the bustling streets, the creative energy, the happy faces, and a little voice in your head whispers, "Wow, I need to go there." And sometimes that whisper gets louder, turning into, "Wait, I think I need to there." It's that powerful magnetic pull, that incredible spark you feel when you discover a place that seems to align perfectly with the life you want to build. It's a feeling of possibility, of a fresh start. So we decided to chase that spark. We asked ourselves what truly makes a city wanted in this day and age. To answer that, we dove deep. We've spent the last few months crunching numbers and analyzing data, but we didn't stop there. We looked beyond the spreadsheets. We scoured social media for the organic buzz, read countless local news articles, and even talked to people on the ground. We considered everything: booming job markets, burgeoning tech and creative scenes, affordability and quality of life, the richness of the food and arts culture, and access to nature. This isn't just a list of the biggest or most famous cities. This is a list of cities with momentum, places on the rise, attracting new people, new ideas, and new energy. And after all that research, we've put together the ultimate list. So get ready. Today we are counting down the top 10 most wanted American cities for 2025. These are the places that are defining the future of American life, the hotspots where opportunity is knocking loudest, and the communities that people simply cannot stop talking about. Some of them will surprise you, but every single one has earned its spot. Let's get into it. Kicking off our list at number 10, we're heading down to the heart of Texas. But forget the cowboy stereotypes. We're talking about Austin. This place is on fire. And I don't mean only the Texas heat. Austin's energy is electric. It's the cool, younger sibling of bigger Texas cities. Plays guitar, knows all the best coffee shops, started $1 million tech company from their garage. A blend of laid-back weirdness and high-tech ambition. Keep Austin weird. And they mean it. It's a city that celebrates individuality. All right. From the hills of Texas, we're climbing way up to number 9 on our list, Denver, Colorado, the mile-high city. And let me tell you, the altitude isn't the only thing that'll leave you breathless here. This place is stunning. You wake up, you look to the west, and bam! The Rocky Mountains are just right there, looking like a painting. It's a constant reminder that this incredible, massive playground is right in your backyard. Denver is for the adventurers, the explorers, the people who work hard during the week so they can play even harder on the weekend. All right, for number 7, we're jetting all the way to the Pacific Northwest, to a city that's synonymous with innovation, coffee, and yes, a little bit of rain. But don't let that scare you. We're talking about the Emerald City, Seattle, Washington. This place is iconic. Let's get the obvious out of the way. Tech. Seattle is a global technology powerhouse. And here we are, the moment you've been waiting for. After sifting through mountains of data, analyzing economic trends, and listening to the cultural buzz from every corner of the country, one city emerged as the undisputed champion. We looked for a place that doesn't force you to choose between a vibrant career and a rich personal life, a city that blends history with innovation. The number 1 most wanted city for people to move to in 2025, the place that truly has it all, is the one, the only, Charleston, South Carolina. From the moment you arrive, Charleston feels less like a city and more like a beautifully preserved storybook. It's a place where history isn't just in museums, it's etched into the very fabric of the streets. We're talking about authentic cobblestone lanes that whisper tales of centuries past, where you can still take a horse-drawn carriage tour. As dusk falls, the city transforms, with romantic gas-lit alleyways casting a warm, flickering glow. The architecture is a masterclass in Southern elegance, from grand antebellum mansions with their iconic sprawling piazzas, those deep porches designed for escaping the summer heat, to the unique Charleston single house, built to capture the sea breezes. And of course, there's the iconic Rainbow Row, a vibrant palette of pastel-colored homes that has become one of the most photographed streets in America. It's this seamless blend of grandeur and charm that makes simply walking around an unforgettable experience. But Charleston's appeal goes far beyond its stunning looks. In the last decade, its culinary scene has absolutely exploded, cementing its reputation as one of the best food cities in America. This is the heart of Lowcountry cuisine, a tradition built on the bounty of the coast. Of course, you have to try the quintessential shrimp and grits, but the journey doesn't stop there. Dive into a bowl of rich, creamy she-crab soup or get your hands dirty with a traditional frogmore stew. The city's chefs are masters of their craft, earning James Beard Awards by taking these historic recipes and giving them a brilliant modern twist. The food philosophy here is deeply connected to the land and sea, with fresh-off-the-boat seafood and produce from local farms. And when the sun goes down, the city's hospitality truly shines. From cozy, historic taverns to chic rooftop bars with panoramic views, the options are endless. A skilled bartender mixing a craft cocktail isn't just making a drink, they're continuing a long tradition of Southern hospitality. What truly elevates Charleston to the #1 spot is that this incredible quality of life isn't just for tourists. For residents, the dream continues with easy access to some of the East Coast's most beautiful beaches, like Folly Beach and Sullivan's Island, just a short drive away. The cultural calendar is packed, headlined by the world-renowned Spoleto Festival USA, which turns the entire city into a stage. A burgeoning tech scene and a robust healthcare industry are driving economic growth, offering dynamic career opportunities. Charleston has mastered the art of living well. It's a city that honors its past while enthusiastically building its future. It's beautiful, it's delicious, it's thriving, and it's friendly. It is, in every sense of the word, the total package and our undisputed #1 city for 2025. And that's our whirlwind tour of the 10 most desirable U.S. cities for 2025. What an incredible journey! We've explored vibrant hubs of culture, innovation, and community, seeing just how diverse America truly is. From historic charm to mountain majesty, there's a place for everyone. We kicked things off in Charleston, South Carolina, where pastel-colored houses and a world-class culinary scene create a timeless Southern elegance. It's a city that invites you to slow down and savor the moment. Then we soared to Denver, Colorado. Nestled against the Rockies, it's an outdoor paradise with a booming tech scene. Fun fact, Denver brews more beer than any other city, so a celebratory pint is always close by. Next, we felt the rhythm in Austin, Texas, the live music capital of the world. It's a hub of creativity and entrepreneurial spirit where "Keep Austin Weird" isn't just a slogan, it's a way of life. We found a hidden gem in Boise, Idaho. This city offers an incredible quality of life with easy access to rivers and mountains, all while maintaining a friendly small-town feel. It's growing fast for a reason. In North Carolina, we explored Raleigh, the city of oaks. As part of the Research Triangle, it's a powerhouse of innovation, rich in green space with a community as welcoming as its leafy, shaded streets. Heading north, we discovered Minneapolis, Minnesota. Known for its incredible park system and thriving arts scene, it's a city that embraces all 4 seasons with gusto, from frozen lakes to summer festivals. We breathed in the salty air of Portland, Maine. This coastal city is a foodie's dream, with a historic port and some of the best seafood in the country. It's a perfect blend of rugged character and artistic charm. Then it was on to Madison, Wisconsin, a city beautifully situated between 2 sparkling lakes. It's more than a college town. It's a hub for health tech with a legendary farmers market and a famously fit and friendly population. Of course, we had to visit sunny San Diego. With its near-perfect weather, stunning beaches, and laid-back vibe, it's the epitome of the California dream. Life here can feel like a permanent vacation. And finally, Richmond, Virginia. A city steeped in history, RVA has reinvented itself with a dynamic street art scene and a fiercely independent spirit. It's where history meets a vibrant, creative future. Whew! What a list! Each city offers a distinct flavor of life, a unique answer to the question, where can I thrive? Whether you're chasing a career, seeking nature, or a creative community, the opportunities are out there. The American dream isn't one size fits all. It's about finding the place that fits, and it might be in a city you never expected. Choosing a place to call home is one of the biggest decisions you'll ever make. It's a blend of logic and heart, of spreadsheets and gut feelings. We hope this tour sparked your imagination. Our tip? If a city piqued your interest, dive deeper. Plan a weekend trip, walk the neighborhoods, and talk to locals to see if the vibe truly resonates. Thanks for joining us on this journey with Global Glimpse. We had a blast researching these places for you. If you found this guide helpful, show us some love. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss our future explorations. More global deep dives are coming your way. And now, the conversation continues with you. We want to know what you think. Did your hometown make the list? Is there a city you believe is a hidden gem we missed? Drop a comment below and tell us which city you'd love to call home in 2025. And most importantly, your insights could help someone else in our community. Until next time, keep exploring.